spatchcock chicken on the offset Lone Star 20x42. This is gonna be good. Today we're using a smart chicken. It's the air chilled kind. I love this brand. It's gonna give you that nice crispy skin on the outside. This is about a 4.5 pound bird. We're gonna get it unpackaged and then we will spatchcock it. So you got your breast here, then you got your backbone here, and so we wanna get some kitchen shears and we're gonna cut this direction and cut that out. All right, now that we have spatchcocked this chicken, we have patted it dry. If you have time, you could even put this in the refrigerator, even salt brine it, and allow that moisture to be sucked back in for even a crispier chicken. And if you want to use a binder, you could pat it dry, but I think we'll just be fine. We're gonna do it both sides using my sweet red dirt. This is gonna give it a nice flavor and also a great color. It's time to fire up the Lone Star 20x42 offset with our Grillblazer grill torch. I've got a bed of charcoal, lump charcoal in there using the fire management setup. And then I've got a few 6 to 8 inch wood sticks there on both sides to warm up. This is gonna help us get a clean smoke. But if you don't have a grill torch to get your fire lit up in like 60 seconds, definitely check this out. This thing is awesome. And I'll have a link in the description on the screen. But literally, so awesome. So let's get this thing lit up and ready to put on our chicken. All right, team, time to put this on. We got the Lone Star to 350 degrees. Got some foil on the bottom to catch any drippings. We're gonna put this on the bottom rack and let it cook. And I'll see you back when it's time to baste in some barbecue sauce towards the end to get that final caramelization. All right, team, so we are at that 150 mark on, or actually we're around 145 on the spatchcock chicken. I'm gonna start basting this in this barbecue sauce, kind of for that nice glow and extra flavor. And then we'll just let it go for the next 15 minutes to caramelize and get up to that a little bit past 160. Taste test time on the offset, the spatchcock chicken here. That cherry flavor, the skin, crispy yet glossy because of that sauce. Tender chicken. And what a fun cooking that spatchcock chicken. Man, if you're finding value in this video, be sure to like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what you thought of this cook so far. But let me just tell you, man, I could taste the difference between my Kamado Joe cooking and my offset from a flavor standpoint. And I think this is obvious if you're new. If you're cooking on an offset, you would know this, but there is a distinct flavor compared to an offset to my ceramic Kamado Joe. I'm not saying one is better than the other, but if you want to see a comparison video, let me know in the comments. But there is a distinct smoky flavor that I'm getting tasting that chicken, and also my cherry sauce and my sweet red dirt. So that is really good. I thought it was really tasty, and I thought I was very successful for my very first spatchcock on the offset. Let me know in the comments what other things you'd like to see me cook on the Lone Star 20x42. And again, from my backyard to yours, less hate, more love, good barbecue. Till next time.